Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse.
And Michael from HiQ Greenhouses.
And tonight we are going to show you these gorgeous baskets. So we just took down, I think maybe 50 baskets from the rafters, and we had these on the floor, but these look so good, just in time for Mother's Day.
Yeah, we couldn't help it, we just had to show you.
So Michael, do you want to tell everyone what these are?
Yes, these are rainbow hummingbird baskets. And these baskets have been made at Deb's Greenhouse pretty much for as long as you've been in business.
Well, not probably 2013 on-ish. No, maybe 20, I don't know. It's been a while.
It's been a while. And you know what? They're still one of your best sellers.
It probably is our best-selling basket, and look how beautiful they are. Who wouldn't want these hanging up from their house?
There's so many different plants in here. There's Ipomea, Marguerite, and of course...
Ipomea is potato vine, just in case. Yeah.
That's right. There is Calabacoa. There's this beautiful color of Calabacoa right beside an even more gorgeous lobelia, and it matches really well. It playfully comes out, but the big feature on the rainbow hummingbird basket is
Lophus.
Yes,
the beautiful hummingbird vine.
Because hummingbirds just love these. The position of the flower is such that hummingbirds just adore these. You won't be able to keep them out of your garden.
Yeah, so I get a lot of messages and texts and questions about what exactly is in here. So like Michael said, we have Calabacoa, we have 2 orange Calabacoa, and 2, here mine's on this side, 2 of a hot pink Calabacoa, and 2 lobelia. These are vegetative lobelia, so they can go in the hot sun.
And that's already 6 plants.
That's 6 plants.
Yes.
We have 2 of the lime Marguerite potato vine, and I think there's 3 Lophus, 3 hummingbird vines in these.
That's 11 plants. Now
11,
this is this is a 15-inch hanging basket.
Yeah, 11. This
11
is
plants,
a 15-inch hanging basket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it needs to be in a basket this size to support that many plants. But the result is amazing. All summer long, this is going to thrive. You have to keep watering it and fertilizing it. We like using Nature Source.
Yeah, we like to use Nature Source. If you have something that works great for you, continue using it. We're not trying to make you switch, but if you're looking for a good fertilizer, we recommend Nature Source.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the next question is, how much are they? These are $60.
And the sticker on the bottom helps you when it's hanging to also tell you what the price is.
Yeah, in our store, all of our baskets do have a price sticker on the bottom. It's a lot simpler to see the price. The price is also on the tag, but it can be harder to see when they're up high.
The tag also tells you again where the basket can be grown.
Yeah.
Yeah, so grow in part sun, it says here.
Yeah.
And that you've purchased it at Deb's Greenhouse.
Yeah. So these baskets, we recommend part sun because of the potato vine, but you can grow them in full sun as well. We find they just thrive a little more in part sun. So if you have any questions about that, you can ask us in store. These are ready for Mother's Day. So if you need to get a gift, or if you're coming to visit us on the weekend, we can't wait to see you. Also, do you know what's happening this weekend?
Yes, it's Mother's Day.
Oh yeah, I know it's Mother's Day.
Oh.
Actually, not all of our staff knew that it was Mother's Day. It was a teenager. It's not their fault. They don't look at calendars these days, but they know now, and that was actually really funny.
And you have some food trucks coming this weekend?
We do. So tomorrow's Friday. We have a hot dog truck coming tomorrow, and as well as Friday and Saturday, we have a hot dog truck, and we're going to have Indian cuisine food truck, and we're having an ice cream food truck. So party will be here at Deb's this weekend, and we have live music for Saturday and Sunday from 10 to 7. So come down. It's going to be so much fun. The weather's beautiful. Kids have been playing in the garden, and the mini golf is open.
There's lots to do for the whole family.
Do you want to play mini golf? Let's go practice our game.
We should.
Why not?
Why not?
We should do it.
Okay.
Who do you think will win?
You?
You think so?
Oh, I'm sure.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll practice. We'll practice.
We'll let you know.
Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Have a great night.
Bye.